So those stripes that I just showed you, they are the stripes I would be using to make the roses. So the only thing I want to explain is the fact that you have to cut out the first triangular shape and then it will make it unequal. So by the time it becomes unequal, the part I want to explain is after cutting out this triangular shape. So when you cut it out, you are supposed to cut it out from the other end, but I just went ahead with the process first so that you see how it looks. So you will now fold it. You fold the edge just the way you see me folding now. Then you will start with your needle and thread to create loose stitches from that part. So when you create loose stitches from that part, you will find out that the other part can no longer be equal. So since the other part can no longer be equal, it will now be creating a kind of wave as you begin to pull it to meet each other and do your loose stitches. As you pull it to meet each other and continue with the loose stitches, it will be creating wave. So it is that wave that gives beauty to the final outcome of the roses. So when I do it, you will understand it better. So you understand it better when I do it. Just wash it. So I'm just going to create like three different roses and then attach it on the band. And the part that I fix in the crayloné is going to be resting on top of the original band. So it's going to give a platform or a base for the roses to rest. So you don't need any other thing to attach or cover the bottom of the roses. So that's just it. Thanks. So let us see carefully how we can fold the roses. So what I simply do is take a part of it and then first roll in that beginning like 2 or 3 times. Use your hot glue to hold it down, or you can use your needle and thread to hold it down. After that, you just uh, turn it to the back. When you turn it to the back, you just begin or continue to apply the hot glue while you roll the stripes around it. Just continue. Don't roll it on one particular position. You continue to spread out the glue as you roll, and at the end of the day you will get the shape of the roses. It's very easy. 2 minutes we are done. It's very easy. So you just keep rolling as you apply your glue.